Oh, hey guys, I'm going on a walk with my family. Who wants to be on camera?
Not me.
It's my cousin Ashley. I know. And then it's my little niece and my aunts and my nephew is with me. We're walking. It's a beautiful day. My niece, Syra. You're my nephew. You're Cameron.
We forgot you was a nephew. You're my nephew too. You and her the same relation to me.
Aww. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the leaves are changing already.
We got to go back to the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
I enjoyed that. Go up and see your daddy.
Yeah, it's really nice. Last time we went was raining. It rained every day.
Aww. Sure did. I thought about that. That's why I called you. James got a car. Look at smoke coming out the chimney. Hot as it is. 100 degrees.
I know. It gets cold at night though.
Hey.
There's a salad. It looks good.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. We grow our own veggies. I know. We got to really take care of them.
I'll probably come up next week and see some. We got to make money work for us. They might always give me some, so I just put that in the freezer. I'll come up and take Cynthia. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I probably can't take out some. Cynthia said she likes it. She didn't take it.
She don't want to get down and dirty in the field. Whew. Syra, you having fun?
Me and Janice used to walk every day, about 25 times a day.
Really?
When we was a teenager. She'd walk up here and I'd walk her back home. She'd walk me back home, I'd walk her back home. We did it all day long.
Just walking.
They used to say, my mom and her mama said, what them two crazy kids? So all they do is walk all day long. And then we stop at one house or the other, make us some pies and cakes with the trees and limbs and bushes and stuff. And dirt, make us
mud pies.
Mud pies and bills and come along and cow.
Well, we used to make mud pies growing up. That was fun.
So bad, he would break out my playhouse.
He said, y'all having too much fun.
He said, oh, B, that's William. Oh, B, I thought you hit him. She said, oh, Bill. That's William. I said, why don't you smack him?
Remember the last time when I was younger, it was me, you, Cynthia, and I said we was walking from that man and the dogs started chasing us.
So I threw the basketball into the woods.
I think it was a chihuahua.
Oh, yes, we did have a lot of those around here.
They started chasing us.
Did you say did? Or
The chihuahua, the dogs?
All of them got a dog.
Mm-hmm. Oh, if we walk far enough, they have chickens down the road. Chickens and,
I'm turning.
Are you scared of chickens? Come on now. You make it. We might have one. Take a chicken and keep it at the house.
Have a duck.
It's going to be kids.
A duck.
We walk our duck down the road, and here we go down the road, and they go duck.
Oh,
They walk right behind us.
I want a duck. I think they have ducks too. I always want to stop by and get one, but I think they
Get you a duck and a chicken.
I think they have them for money, like they lay eggs and stuff.
Yeah, that's why they go.
So I don't want to take them. But they're so cute. They're always running around the road.
Wow. Yeah, all country people have stuff.
Yeah.
That's why we got. I was at the farmer's market this morning. I told them thank y'all for taking care of us, all those fresh vegetables.
Yes.
Because now you can't buy nothing from other places. Always something wrong with it.
That's true.
After you ate it all up.
I know. Then you see the warning on TV.
I know. She'll say, I was feeling bad. She'll say, Mom, didn't you eat some cantaloupe? I said, yeah, I did. But they was Tuberville cantaloupes.
Mm-hmm.
South Falls. Yeah, that's the way they do it.
Bye, guys.